Om Shri Sai Ram. Pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan. We, the Bal Vikas children of the state of Maharashtra and Goa, are here today to present before you a musical drama entitled Sant Namdev.
आदिपूज्यं गणाध्यक्षं उमापुत्रं विनायकं मङ्गलं परमं रूपं श्रीगणेशं नमाम्यहम्। श्रीगणेशं नमाम्यहम्।
भेटी परब्रह्म आएगा, शरणी वाहे भीमा उद्धरी जगा। जय देव जय पांडुरंगा, रखुमाई वल्लभा राही जा वल्लभा पावे जीव लगा। जय देव
I am the first step at the Mahadwar gate, and this is where Sant Namdev, chanting the name of his beloved Lord Vithala, took Samadhi. In fact, he told the Lord,
Pandharpur is Vaikuntha, and I want to be eternally at your Mahadwar gate, at your beck and call. I will then enjoy the bliss of receiving the dust of the feet of your devotees, entering and leaving the temple.
My salutations to the lotus feet of Bhagwan. I was here 4 years ago on this very day of Ashadi Ekadashi. It's my privilege to be back in your divine presence. Swami, people say that the best relationship to establish with you is one of friendship. Out of all the friends of the world, you are the only real best friend. But devotees here don't know that this best friend had a best friend too. He was called Uddhava when you were Lord Krishna. And then the Lord sent him down as a baby in a shell, floating down the Bhimarati, chanting Vithala, Vithala, to show the world how sakhas can be. He was found by Damuji, a tailor, and his wife, Gunai. Did you guess who he is? No? Not yet? Well, Nama! Namdev!
मिठाई सावळे डोळस रंगाये वो, मिठाई सावळे डोळस रंगाये वो, रंगाये वो, रंगाये वो, रंगाये वो, रंगाये वो, मिठाई सावळे डोळस रंगाये वो, मिठाई सावळे डोळस रंगाये वो.
Gunai, as you know, I have to leave early on my usual business trip, and I'll not be able to offer Naivedya tomorrow afternoon. This has been our daily practice for years. What shall we do?
Please do not worry. Nama is 5 years old and a bright lad too. I'm sure he'll be able to offer the Naivedya. take this plate of Naivedya and glass of water to the temple and offer it to Lord Vithala. Okay, Nama?
Just like father does, isn't it?
Yes, indeed. You'll have kheer and pakodas for lunch.
Oh, me love kariye tu. I shall be right back. Vithoba, why don't you start eating? Come on, hurry up. The food will get cold. Mother says you must eat food while it is hot. Are you waiting for my father? Oh, I forgot to tell you. Father is out of town, so I have brought the food. Are you feeling shy to eat in front of me? Okay, I'll close my eyes. Mother makes very delicious kheer. Taste some, you'll surely like it. What? You have not yet started eating? If I take the plate back untouched, Mother will be angry and won't serve me lunch. And you know, I am so hungry. I beg of you, please accept the Naivedya. Oh, have I done anything wrong? Please come and eat. Please come.
Nama, my dear child, stop crying.
Lord, you are so beautiful. Deva, you have come. Come, sit down and eat everything. Ya, jeun gya.
Time passed and Nama was married to Rajai. They had 2 sons. Yet Nama was completely immersed in Vithala. Well, to continue the story, one day Namdev, without informing anyone, followed a group of Varkaris to Pandharpur. In search of him, his family came to Pandharpur and finally all of them settled in Pandharpur. But Nama's troubles continued.
Nama, tell me, how do you live at home? Come on, don't be shy.
As if you don't know. Your home is in Vaikunt. Mine is a broken hut. The 8 Siddhis are your slaves. We have rats as company. You are dressed in divine garments. My children have no clothes to wear. You recline on Adi Shesha in the ocean of milk. We don't even have straw mats. You have platters of gold. We have leaves. But Lord, I have one thing that you don't have. Tumhala sangu ka? Shall I tell you? I have your name, Krishna Panduranga. My dearest friend, Krishna Panduranga.
सखा देव पांडुरंग माझा देव सखा पांडुरंग ओ विटेवरी उभा हरी सखा देव पांडुरंग माझा देव सखा पांडुरंग कासे कसिला पीतांबर कासे कसिला पीतांबर गळा वैजयंती माळ हो गळा वैजयंती माळ चंदनाची उटी केशर टिळा हो चंदनाची उटी केशर टिळा कैसा लाविला हो कैसा लाविला हो कैसा लाविला हो कैसा लाविला सखा देव पांडुरंग माझा देव सखा पांडुरंग ओ विटेवरी उभा हरी सखा देव पांडुरंग माझा देव सखा पांडुरंग पांडुरंग पांडुरंग
Nama, Nama, your mother Gonai is coming here in search of you. Quick, come, hide behind me.
Lord, why are you looking away? Turn your head towards me. You have made Nama crazy and he's neglecting his family completely.
Gonai, due to some good deeds, you have a son like Namdev. He has been my Sakha, Uddhava, and for the salvation of the world, he has been born again.
That is the whole problem. Tell me, once a person has fallen in love with you, does he ever come back to this world? And you, who are supposed to be so generous, have you ever given anything to anybody just like that? You took away Sudama's parched rice and then gave him a city of gold. Vibhishana came to your side and that's why you gifted him Lanka after the war. When Draupadi had to feed the rishis, you first took a vegetable leaf from her vessel and then only filled the stomach of Durvasa. Huh?
Oh, Gonai, why are you angry at me? It's not my fault. Your crazy Nama clings to me. What can I do about it?
You have brought misery to our home. Nama, stop hiding. Come out. This Vithala stands on a brick and destroys the peaceful life of others. Nama, I will drag you home if need be. This Panduranga of yours is very selfish. He wants you here so that he will have company and he can hear his praises sung by you.
Enough, Gonai. Wait. Please take Nama home. And you think you are in penury? Oh no. Go home and see what has happened.
All these mad bhaktas keep coming home to see my husband, and he says that I have to feed everyone. What is there in this house to feed? Nothing. What will I do?
Rajabai, is Nama home?
One more guest has come. No, he is not home.
That is all right, Rajabai. Nama is a friend of mine. So I brought him lots of grains and gold coins. A full bag full, you know. Spend it as much as you like. And don't forget to call on me once it gets over. Give Nama my kind regards and love. And tell him that his friend had called on him.
Please don't be so annoyed, for I was rude to you. I have never seen you before. All the same, thank you so much.
Mother, where is all this wealth come from?
I do not know, Nama.
Sit down and eat, my lord.
So sweet and humble. Well, money makes the world go round. Anyway, Rajai, who gave you this money and grains?
Your best friend.
My best friend?
Yes, he said he knew you were in trouble. I asked him his name. He said, Rajabai, people say that I have the complexion of a black cloud. My name is Keshav Sheth. And one more thing, please don't trouble Nama. Call on me and I will supply all your needs.
Keshav? Sheth? I have no friend like that. I don't understand what you're saying.
You don't believe me? Okay, ask Jana. She was there. And anyway, both of you, master and servant, are crazy after that Vithala. She may remember your friend from that god-mad group that you all belong to.
Master, Keshav Seth with the complexion of a black cloud? Master, don't you know who he is?
Keshav? Oh Lord, my Vithala came carrying grains. Oh Mother, I do no austerities, no rituals, no religious rites. I know no scriptures, no yoga, no tapas. I only know your name, Vithala. Only your name. And for me, you troubled yourself?
तू माझी माऊली 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 तू माझी माऊली मी वो तुझा तान्हा तू माझी माऊली मी वो तुझा तान्हा पाना पांडुरंगे पाजी प्रेम पाना पांडुरंगे कासवीची दृष्टी सदा बाळावरी कासवीची दृष्टी सदा बाळावरी तैसी दया करी पांडुरंगे तैसी दया करी पांडुरंगे नामा म्हणे विठो भक्तीच्या वल्लभा नामा म्हणे विठो भक्तीच्या वल्लभा मागे पुढे उभा सांभाळीसी मागे पुढे उभा सांभाळीसी सांभाळीसी सांभाळीसी
And this is where I enter into the picture. I had a great urge to go on a pilgrimage, and who would be a better companion than Nama? So one day,
Yogi Raj, I am subject to him, who is always cared for me. My Vithala, please seek his permission.
Gyaneshwar and Namdev together, the very confluence of Gyan and Bhakti.
I wish to visit Tirtha Kshetras, O Lord.
But why, Gyaneshwar? You are veritably Gyana. You are one with the universe. Why do you need to wander around? Especially when you have me, who is eternal and omniscient. What is there that is not here? Why do you need to go anywhere at all?
True, my Lord. I want the joy of having Nama's satsang to make my life worthwhile.
Nama, go with Gyaneshwar. He wants your company. Go with him. But Nama, do not forget me wherever you are. And Gyaneshwar, I may be separated from Brahma, but I could never be separated from Nama. He is my dearest Sakha. But how can I deny you Nama's company? Take care of my Nama. He is so naive and innocent.
Lord, why are your eyes full of tears?
My heart is broken by the arrow of separation from Nama. My mind has become restless. And I wonder how Nama will live without me. Gyandev has taken him away, Rakuma. What shall I do? I cannot endure a single moment without my Bhakta Shiromani. I want to hold Nama close to my heart. Nama is beyond human frailty. He bows only to me and finds peace only with me, O Rakuma. Most of the time, he is even unaware of the world. I miss him so much. How will I go through the pangs of this separation, Rakuma?
Lord, do you now realize what the gopis went through when you went away to Mathura? And Lord, remember, you sent Uddhava to pacify them. Pashya, Brahmaraha Punaragataha. Yasakha Punaragaha Preyasa Preshita Kim Varaya Kim Anurunde Mananiyosi Me Anga Katham ihasva dustyaja dvandva pashvam satatamurasi soumya Shrimadhu sakamaste Priya Sakha Priya Sakha Priya Sakha Kim Krishnah smarati Kim Nisha Ta Kim Nisha Smarati Yasutada Ta Kim Nisha Smarati Yasutada Priya Shangaram Yeta Kim Nisha Reme Kwana Charana Nupura Reme Kwana Charana Nupura Rasa Goshtya
Here, Nama is missing the Lord so much. Nama, God is in your heart, and you are needlessly troubling yourself, searching for Him outside.
No, Gyandev. Show me the Lord with the Pitambar, standing with his hands on his hips. Show me my Krishna's smiling face.
He is Saguna and Nirguna. Tula Saguna Manu ki Nirguna re.
Yes, but you also say, Saguna Nirguna Ek Govindu Re, Saguna Nirguna Ek Govindu Re.
तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे सगुण निर्गुण एक गोविंदु रे सगुण निर्गुण एक गोविंदु रे गोविंदु रे एक गोविंदु रे तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे. तुझ दृश्य म्हणो की अदृश्य रे. तुझ दृश्य म्हणो की अदृश्य रे. दृश्य अदृश्य एक गोविंद रे. दृश्य अदृश्य एक गोविंद रे. गोविंद रे एक गोविंद रे. तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे. तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे. सगुण निर्गुण एक गोविंद रे. गोविंद रे एक गोविंद रे. तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे. गोविंद 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 गोविंद
Blessed are you, Nama. Explain to me the way of bhakti by which you have made God subject to yourself. In what way should one worship God? How should one listen and contemplate? What is study? What is peace? For days I wanted to ask you. Please talk to me, Nama. Please talk to me.
तुम ज्ञानेश्वर हो, ज्ञानी हो, फिर भी तुमने ये पूछा है. इस कारण मैं बतलाता हूँ जो मैंने जाना समझा है. पावन मंदिर हो और हृदय प्रशांति निलयम हो. हर पल पूजा अर्चन वो करे और होठ पे कीर्तन गायन हो. तुम ज्ञानेश्वर हो, ज्ञानी हो.
Nama, Nama, your love and humility are beyond words. I am privileged to have your company. And soon we reached Hastinapur. Nama, lost in love, was singing away as usual. Soon a great crowd collected, and regularly kirtans were being held. The Mohammedan king of the place heard of this. He became enraged and decided to test Nama.
Where do you come from?
Pandhari, which is on the banks of the Bhima, where you hear the cry of Vitthala's name.
What is it that you are singing, you heretic? If you will bring this cow to life, I shall regard you and your God to be true. If not, I will kill you with my own hands. So tell me, when are you going to bring this cow back to life?
O king, it will take me 4 days from today.
येगा पांडुरंगा माय बाबा माय बाबा माय भेटसी के धवा माझिया जीवलगा भेटसी के धवा माझिया जीवलगा ये गा पांडुरंगा माय बापा ये गा पांडुरंगा माय बापा माय बापा माय बापा भेटसी के धवा माझिया जीवलगा भेटसी के धवा पांडुरंग पांडुरंग येगा पांडुरंगा 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 पांडुरंग पांडुरंग पांडुरंग
4 days passed, and on the 4th day the Lord came.
Nama, oh Nama, get up. Here I am.
Lord, what were you so busy with? You took so long to come.
Nama, it was you who made the promise of 4 days to the king. So, I had no choice but to wait for 4 days. I had to keep your word, you know. If you had told the king that you would immediately bring the cow to life, I would have rushed to your aid immediately. You said you needed 4 days, and now you are blaming me?
We travelled on and met the great Saint Kabir. To be in the company of 2 such saints together, my cup of joy overflowed. After we took a promise from Kabir that he would come to Pandharpur, we travelled to a lot of kshetras and finally on Mahashivratri arrived at Nagnath. After bathing in the sacred waters and performing our rites of worship, we entered the inner shrine and paid our respects to Lord Shiva. And finally, Nama stood outside the door and began his kirtan. As usual, Nama lost body consciousness and began singing in ecstasy. A crowd of people joined in dancing and clapping.
विठ्ठल आवडे प्रेम भाव विठ्ठल आवडे प्रेम भाव.
The Brahmins of the temple got very annoyed with the crowd and the noise.
What? You are trying to teach us? You low caste people? Teaching us who are the authorities on the Vedas and Shastras.
We do not approve the teachings of Nama. Go away from here. Nama, you have lost body consciousness and made the crowd also like you. Go behind the temple and shout, dance and do what you want there.
Please don't be annoyed. We don't want to be of trouble to you. Come, Nama, let's go behind the temple. Nama started to sing again.
विठ्ठल नामाचा रेटा हो विठ्ठल नामाचा रेटा हो प्रेम भाव विठ्ठल आवडी प्रेम भाव.
And all of a sudden, the 9 forms of devotion appeared, filling the place with light.
श्रवण कीर्तन नामस्मरणम् पादसेवनम् अर्चनम् वन्दनम् दास्यम् साख्यम् आत्मनिवेदनम्।
Everything seems to be wonderful here. But Vithala, only one thing is lacking. Nagnath is facing the other way. If the temple was facing us, the joy would have been doubled. Have I committed a mistake? Why doesn't Vithala come to my aid?
नेघो नामा विणकाही नेघो नामा विणकाही विठ्ठल कृष्ण लवलाही नामा म्हणे तरलो पाही विठ्ठल कृष्ण लवलाही नामा म्हणे तरलो पाही नामा म्हणे तरलो पाही विठ्ठल विठ्ठल म्हणताची विठ्ठल म्हणताची।
Look, hearing Nama's Kirtan, Lord Shiva himself has turned around. Har Har Mahadev! Jai Hari Vittal! Har Har Mahadev! Jai Hari Vittal! Forgive us, Nama. We were vain and arrogant. The Lord has shown us that He prefers love to mere learning.
Hari and Hara are one, and all they want is love and devotion, prem and bhakti. Get up, my brothers. It is all Vitthala's Leela. Gyanadev, place your hand on their heads and tell them that only by satsang will they achieve salvation. Jai Hari Vithala!
With Nama around, can Vithala be far away? So I had a wonderful time watching miracles that happened in Nama's presence. After Nagnath, we headed to Pandharpur. Seeing the dome of the temple, we were overjoyed. Nama rushed in like a calf separated from its mother, and Vithala himself was eagerly awaiting him.
How are you, Nama?
What can I say, Lord? Only the thought of coming back kept me alive.
विठ्ठला विठ्ठला पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला विठ्ठला पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला विठ्ठला క్షేత్రములన్నీయు తిరిగితి తీర్థములన్నీయు సేవించితి పండరి వంటి క్షేత్రంబు చంద్రభాగా వంటి తీర్థంబు నిందెందు లేదు గదా విఠల నిందెందు లేదు గదా ఏ మూర్తి నందైన నీ మూర్తి గనలేదు విఠల ఏ మూర్తి నందైన నీ మూర్తి గనలేదు ఏ క్షేత్రమందైన పండరి గనలేదు ఏ క్షేత్రమందైన పండరి గనలేదు తనివి తీరా నిరూపముగానగ నిన్ను వీడి విఠలా నేనుండగలనా నేనుండగలనా విఠల నేనుండగలనా విఠల నేనుండగలనా విఠల నేనుండగలనా.
Dear Nama, I too was in a similar state.
Lord, I have a request.
Nama, ask and it will be granted.
I pray for the gift of love, pure love, birth after birth.
Even if I search the three worlds, I will not find a bhakta like you.
Mukta, I had a wonderful time in Nama's company. And Sopan, I foresee much after my samadhi. Nama will travel to North India again. He will stay in Punjab for almost 20 years and will sing and write what will be called as Namdev Ji ki Gurbani.
He worships only Lord Vithala.
Only the Lord of Pandharpur.
Is the Lord only in Pandharpur, Brother Gyaneshwar? Isn't he all-pervading? Isn't God omnipresent? Isn't he the indweller of all creation? How can Namdev be so short-sighted?
Mukta!
No, Brother Nivritinath. She is right. I would want Namdev to be freed from this ignorance. He needs to be guided by a Sadguru who will enlighten him. Let us see how it happens.
Gora Kaka, how do you ascertain whether the pots are baked or not?
Simple. With this paddle, when I remove the pots from the furnace, I knock on them. If it is baked, it gives a clear ringing sound. If not, there is just a thud.
All the pots are sitting in front of you. Why don't you separate the baked ones from the unbaked ones?
Okay, but the unbaked ones will have to be put back into the hot furnace again. Agreed?
Yes, of course. This is a nice game. But don't strike too hard, please. Go ahead, uncle.
Fully baked. In fact, too well, I think.
I passed.
Distinction. Passed in flying colors. Musical, loud and clear. Perfect. Sauta, let's test your pot. Sauta Mali, first class. In fact, fragrant like his flowers. Now, Namdev Maharaj, the great Bhakta. A thud? Well. Only a half-baked pot. It needs heat treatment. Back into the furnace.
Stop this foolish game. I thought I was in the company of saints. Oh, Vithala.
Namdev Maharaj, sir, please wait.
The time has come.
Vithala, I have never been so insulted in my life. My heart is full of anger.
Nama? Oh dear Nama, who has insulted you? Tell me.
I thought I was with saints, but they started playing a silly game. Baked and unbaked pots. The potter with his paddle.
You mean Gora Kumbhar?
Your great devotee Gora Kumbhar. He hit my head and said that I'm half-baked. I need to be put in the furnace. Vithala, what a mixed crowd. Brahmins, potters, gardeners, and they all talk of God being formless and being everywhere. I don't understand all that. I only know you. They invited me, greeted me and garlanded me, fell at my feet and showed great reverence. I accepted and enjoyed it as my right. I have direct communication with you and they... Vithala, why are you so silent? Say something, please.
True. What was said was true. You are half-baked. Remember, the Lord is everyone's father, in whose property everyone can claim a share. But in order to get it, you must reach a certain stage, a certain level. His property is grace, prema, develop discrimination and renunciation, and you can claim your share as of right. Then, no one will call you half-baked.
You too, Lord? You too called me half-baked? You are my Sakha, my friend. That's enough for me.
No, Nama, no. It is time you learnt. I have assumed this form to satisfy the longing of all my devotees. This form is an illusion.
This bewitching form is an illusion?
I am the Lord of the universe. I am present everywhere, animate and inanimate. Yet, I alone exist. I am pure love.
Vithala, I don't understand what you're saying.
It's in the company of such enlightened saints that even an ordinary Nara becomes a Narayana.
What am I to do?
A Sadguru alone is the solution. He will transform you. He is the philosopher's stone which can turn iron into gold.
With you as my beloved, why do I need a guru?
Nama, in my Rama Avatara, I had Vashisht as my guru. And in my Krishna Avatar, I went to Sandipani. So, you too need a guru.
Lord, where should I go and to whom?
Saint Visoba Khechar. He is asleep in the Nagnath temple. Go there at once. He will guide you. And you, with his grace, can help the whole mankind who are living in ignorance.
Guru Veena Kona Dakhavila Vaat.
So our dear Nama walked all the way to Nagnath. The main temple was closed. So he searched for Vishobhakesha and found him in a small Shiva temple. And what did he see?
Lord Vithala said, he is sleeping in the Shiva temple. So this must be Vishobha Khechar. But what's this I see? I can't believe my eyes. This is outrageous. Look at him, sleeping and snoring away. Hey, get up.
Oh, Nama, you have come.
You know me? But anyway, how can you sleep with your feet on Lord Shiva? Get up at once.
Oh, are my feet on the lingam? I have indeed made a grave mistake. Son, as you see, I am an old man, and I have no energy to rise. So please lift up my feet and place them wherever you think Shiva is not there.
What does he think of himself? Old man, he wants me to pick up his feet and put it all over the place. They don't understand anything. What's happening? What's happening? Wherever I place his feet, a lingam appears. The whole temple looks like a lingam. And Vishobha himself. Is he Shiva? But wait, my own body has taken the form of Shiva. Where is he not? Shiva is everywhere. Oh my Swami, your feet are the means of my salvation. In my very first darshan, you have shown that God is everywhere. Gurudev, Gurudev.
I am just a servant of Jnaneshwar.
Nama went into Samadhi and found that his Vittala pervaded the whole universe.
I am in a state of bliss, Anandam. Gurudev, I was obsessed with the assumption that God existed only in Pandharpur.
Nama, know that Panduranga has chosen to reside in Pandharpur. As a boatman helps to ferry you across the Bhavasagara. But the Lord is not confined to that temple alone. The whole universe is his home. Life is an illusion. So Nama, recognize that he is in everyone and everywhere.
नामा तो कण कण में ईश्वर को देखत है. नामा तो कण कण में ईश्वर को देखत है. हर एक चराचर को, हर एक चराचर को विठ्ठल ही जानत है. नामा तो कण कण में ईश्वर को देखत है. धरती विठ्ठल है और विठ्ठल है अंबर. ये धरती विठ्ठल है और विठ्ठल है अंबर. ये जल थल विठ्ठल है, विठ्ठल है ये सागर. नामा तो कण कण में ईश्वर को देखत है. नामा तो कण कण में ईश्वर को देखत है. I am indeed indebted to my Gurudev and to all the saints who laughed at me. It's due to them that I am in this state of ecstasy now.
Nama, now that you've met your Gurudev, you don't seem to want my company anymore. Don't you care for me at all now?
Vitthala, Vitthala, my Leeladhari Vitthala, the all-pervading. I see no difference in your form and mine.
Now, Nama, no one can call you unbaked. Yes, this is the truth. Since ages I have been taking the Saguna route, so that man can understand and experience the Nirguna form. Understand that I am above you, below you, inside you, outside you. I am the root of all. I am the source of all. Nama, there is no need for you to come to me. How can you come to me at all? This is an illusion. You are in me, I am in you, you and I are one.
तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे. तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे. सगुण निर्गुण एक साईनाथ रे. सगुण निर्गुण एक साईनाथ रे. साईनाथ रे एक साईनाथ रे. तुझ सगुण म्हणो की रे
तुझे सगुण कहूँ या निर्गुण रे, तुझे सगुण कहूँ या निर्गुण रे। सगुण निर्गुण एक साईनाथ रे, सगुण निर्गुण एक साईनाथ रे, साईनाथ रे एक साईनाथ रे। तुझे सगुण कहूँ या निर्गुण रे।
ನೀನು ಸಗುಣಂದುರೋ ನೀನು ನಿರ್ಗುಣಂದುರೋ, ಸಗುಣ ನಿರ್ಗುಣುಡೊಕ ಸಾಯಿನಾಥುಡೆ, ಸಗುಣ ನಿರ್ಗುಣುಡೊಕ ಸಾಯಿನಾಥುಡೆ, ಸಾಯಿನಾಥುಡೆ ಒಕ ಸಾಯಿನಾಥುಡೆ। ನೀನು ಸಗುಣಂದುರೋ ನೀನು ನಿರ್ಗುಣಂದುರೋ।
साईनाथ साईनाथ साईनाथ